What's up, dog? So today is the 14th of May. Probably watching this on a Monday. Probably like what's that, 18th of May, I think. If I know it's this day, 15, 16, 17. So yeah, probably watching this at the 18th of May. So more or less, my trades or the trade revamps on 18th of May and 19th of May will be posted by Monday, Tuesday. Anyways, this is gonna be my first few trades. They funded. So we actually just really have fully conditions in the day. You have the central 4 hour gap, which is also an hourly gap. I would definitely mark out this hourly or even 4 hour gap. Not really, yeah. Go with that. But my conditions just really see this hourly gap get manipulated or for us to go higher. Um, I'm not leading so bullish anymore since you'd have to like look back. Oh yeah, this equilibrium will definitely get hit as well. This 15-minute gap, so I'm actually gonna mark this out as well. So let's see that, but I'm leading just really bullish after taking this out because we already went to sell liquidity yesterday, so nothing really much to go for. But yeah, I'm just gonna definitely just be reactive and adaptive on what the market sense. And you can also see the 50-minute gap get manipulated. When market opens, it's either go lower, then go higher, or higher first and go lower. Just basic trading, guys. But I think there's a great probability where we go higher first. Just conviction wise, I just feel like we're gonna go higher first. Let's see. But we're so close to the hourly gap, so it makes sense. But in ES, it just looks better to go higher first. We also had 8:30 news, but the 8:30 news basically didn't do anything, right? So it's not a that relevant of a high. I would love to see this hourly gap first get manipulated, and then I will validate longs from there. But this looks pretty good, honestly. If ever, let's take this right here. If it had better displacement, yeah, sure. But yeah, I would rather see this hourly gap get manipulated first before we see the central 15-minute get tap or this 15-minute gap. We also have this 30-minute gap here. I'll just have to just mark this out. I mean, no, I definitely react on that. Or we're gonna tap on it right now. Let's see. It's also a 30-minute gap. This is just the more premium one, which in a set of gaps, what really just really matters. Not even gonna mark that out. Just noising the chart. After this long looks so pretty good. Looks so good, guys. This just didn't manipulate the hourly first. That's just what makes me not want it. We didn't manipulate anywhere. Create like relatively equal lows. Keep it right away out of there. Looks pretty good, as I mentioned, but this hour lows has just not been taken out yet. But could be a clean trading day here if I executed here right away. But yeah, there's just no manipulation, or was there any? Yeah, I'll actually the 9:30 manipulated. Oh yeah, that's what I didn't see. Yeah, there was an SMT at this low. I wasn't looking much on SMTs, but yeah, really clean there if you took that. Um, as I said, it looks pretty clean when I saw it. It's just there's just the hourly gap isn't taken out yet. Really clean winning day here if you took this. I really want that to get taken out. Let's see if we can have shorts from here. This hourly gap looks pretty good to me. So let's see. Currently I have an SMT on this inclusive many gap. It's pretty good as well. The 9:30 after versus a lot earlier than thank you. So let me just chill out right now. That was quick. So anyone who took this, bro, this is the quickest trading session ever. So just really flexible. 30 points done in a day. Do you have any regrets? Honestly, not. But as I look back onto it, I didn't see this hourly gap taken out, but I just didn't really see that internal SMT holding. So, I mean, I already had a higher time frame with SMT, so that's something that I definitely anticipated to just get ran through. But apparently, I'm wrong on that. So, I don't really see any much here. Um, hourly, there's no hourly, even 13-minute gap. Just set of LRs. So, I just want to see this maybe just buy, get taken out. There's no major draws at the moment. But yeah, for me, this one is a really valid trade and mark it out. It's pretty good. It's just maybe if it converts right away, it's just I guess really want to see the hourly gap get manipulated. So that's that. But this was definitely a pretty good trade. Too many. I did take this, but yeah, that's that. Definitely a trade that could have considered. We'll see here. There's still so much LR to the downside. 15 minutes was already tapped by yes. So it's either reversal from here or we're just gonna remain purely bullish on the day. I'll be done in the day pretty early here. If ever. So we open a 3-minute gap on ES. Yeah, NT isn't even retracing, dog. It's just going higher and higher and higher, dogs. What's up, dogs? I've had one enter at ES. Like seriously, but I never trade ES. And this is not that account, so I just say I'm gonna enter in ES. This is just too textbook. Uh yeah, flat font is actually perfect on this, but I never trade ES, dog, so that's that. But this, oh my gosh, this day is just so textbook. Too textbook to just, let's say, but yeah, I might not trade today, guys. We'll see. But it's leading to just maybe not trade today. Because I have like so much work, so I don't really want to stay too long in the charts. I like stare in the charts. But then as soon as any aim opens, or this high gets taken out, I'm out. I don't really see anything. Like the only way I'm gonna trade here is if we just rebound to this 5 minute. If I just trade on the ES, guys, yep, I will be in this trade risk free type shit. What's up, guys? If this doesn't present itself and just take this buy side, I'll be out on the day. Um, really got a lot of things to do, so I don't really want to stay in the charts. This was definitely a trade that could have taken and just be done in the day 1 minute in. I think it was, yeah, it was this high. Could have been done in the day there. I mean, yeah. It's up to you if you're gonna be like holding everything, just everywhere, dog. Definitely the nature if you're gonna be holding this, but it's definitely possible to do. What I do if I would ever do that, I'm just gonna take out 1 minute here, then let that shit run. 13%. I'm not gonna be trading today. This one played out. I just really don't trade at the on ESCI. It's just like on one of my rules. But yeah, just a rule to follow for me. But if this was an NQ, I would have taken this without a doubt. I don't really know the scaling. There's a stop losses, but risk wise, again, if I would check on ES, this was I think 4 contracts. Yeah, 4 contracts long, maybe even 5. I don't even know max contracts in ES. I didn't look. So yeah, that's that. Again, I'm only gonna be taking if you get this 5 minutes. I'm just gonna chill out right now. Not looking for anything. So how much update yo? Dogs, I'm just gonna be off this horse. I'm not even gonna wait for this. My last condition here, if ever I would take, is if 10 a.m. opens and there's until 15 minutes gap, we just literally just go lower X result on highs. Then sure, I would try. But that doesn't happen in any way, shape, or form. It's like the 15-minute gap doesn't even rebound to like equilibrium and not have a long setup from it. I'm done in the day. I just be done in the day. Actually, right now I'm already done in the day. I called this out earlier. Since we get inversion here. I was waiting for the dial gap to get taken out just long from there. The market decided not to give it, so It's just the last clip. I'm gonna just say peace out, y'all. Hope to stay away from this type of conditions, this type of conditions that I just really learned from to experience. If it just pumps all the time, with all time highs, pumps without entry, just go out. Don't take anything and just be done in the day. This is really how it works, guys. Don't even try to debate it. Just be out in the day. Don't even care. And there's always gonna be setups, guys. So I'll peace out, y'all. End account here, fully funded, and no trades taken. Peace out, dogs. Guys, I was kidding. All right, I think it's legit this time around. But if we inverse this, like inverse it, I mean, this will live. Oh, what? I thought the mark got all time high. But yeah, we pretty much just edged all time high, dog. Or I guess the initial plan would present itself. But yeah, we just rebound to this 5 minute. I guess we're just gonna go lower at this point and just edge all time highs. Nah, I'm just gonna wait for the 10 a.m. to open. I think this trade's definitely being printed here. Um, Actually, I wasn't even looking at the charts anymore. I was just, I just really didn't have any trust on that, we still have any setups. But I guess there'll still be. I'll just, wait if any of this can happen. Because we inverse on ES. That's why I was definitely looking for a long. But on, what's happening right now. I'm just gonna wait for the 10 a.m. to open in 2 minutes. See some sort of manipulation. This 15-minute gap. Forward this all-time high. It's just generated liquidity. Freaking big. I don't know what's gonna happen here. We didn't have any 15-minute, but we definitely did manipulate a lot lower now. I don't know where my entry would be, dog. Seriously. Entry here? We have a 15-minute gap on our stop loss. Pretty much, I think a 3-minute gap here. It's really not clear for me. If anything, this long is what I think is good. Technically didn't, right? It's just really just wasn't anything clear. At most, I really want to maybe go lower on this 15-minute gap. Yes, it's also this data wick. It's market open wick. But obviously, we're at all-time high. That's why I'm just looking for long. There's nothing clear because, if anything else, there's no 5-minute gap. You can definitely not see any 5-minute gap. 3-minute, we can say that this is a 3-minute gap. So, what does that mean? Nothing is clear. Uh, if I was here, my stop loss would be here. And yeah, I'll probably stop out there. So, definitely waiting to see this 15-minute gap get filled. Either see, kind of like this. After I think a 30-second would be presented here. How many? 60s. Oh, after this, a decent move. 60, 60. Oh, that's a really huge stop. But it's fine. We can go for a 1 minute move here. Why am I on my... Wait, wait, wait. This is my paper account. 30 seconds is valid. 5 minutes, we're not going to create a 5-minute gap. This is a candle. We're not going to be creating a 5-minute gap. There's this pretty much a 3-minute gap. I don't know if you would call it a 3-minute gap, but for me, that's like something to take note of. 30 seconds could be valid here. Inversion at the 60s, TP here at 20s. SL where? At 96. So let's say drop down first here, then stop loss at 96. 36 points off. No, not taking that. Longs from here, when 10 a.m. opens, not really. So for me, there's just nothing anything significantly clear for me, but I'm definitely leaning longs. But if we react from any of this, it's pretty unclear to me. But it's a pretty great retrace, and we're just creating so much LRs to the upside, which, if presented like this, that's a no-brainer trade for me. If this gets presented, guys, that's credit that. But there's no 5 minute. You see this? Even if we try to do this, whatever, it's no, it's a weird gaps. Even at a 3 minute, even at the 2 minute. But for me, I consider this a 3 minute gap. Honestly, guys, I don't really know. Things are so funny right now. I don't really mind if you mind, but probably don't mind. But yeah, this short's gonna be printed. Just watch this short right here. I think where was that close? Oh, we're at 15 seconds. So this 30-second close right now on the '08. Um, oh, it hasn't closed yet. What am I seeing here? Um, the '08 candle just closed. I don't know, guys. Don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. But his equal highs, I just know he has to take that. It's just upon what setup is gonna be presented with all of these LRs, dog. I just know there has to be a long here. There has to be a long here. If there's no long here, bro, I'm probably gonna stop trading. No 5 minute gaps on our TP. Um, no 3 minute gaps, or at least clear ones. So you can still call this a good gap, right? Still call that a gap, but for me, I just call it this guy. What I want to see though is get like ping pong. Here, boom, go break even. That doesn't look like how the market moves. Hit break even, retrace a bit, then just flush to this, and we have our trade in the day. What's up, guys? This is just a randomized trade. I just wanted to trade, but I'm not gonna trade anymore. This is just me wanted to do paper. So why did I take this trade? Obviously, nothing else. Just pattern trade. Saw this inversion right here. Didn't trigger right away, so I entered there, and we're done on the day, guys. Done on the day, boys. Done on the day, boys. Okay, I'll just go break even right here. We're low-key edging our trade drop. So, confirm. What, bro? Um, is this not Jackson? Wait a second. I might adjust my TP a bit just to be sure. Just to be sure. I'm getting edged like crazy right now. But this is Uzbekistan. I love Pakistan. I love Pakistan. Pakistan. Anyway, guys. Um, yeah, that's a trade right there. This is an honest trade, guys. For me, again, no excuses. If you can see on my TraderVid account. It's turned on. Yeah, it's already turned on. No trade on the day. There's literally no sense of manipulation anywhere. This one is a pure pattern trade. If you did take this is a pure pattern trade. Um, yes, it did bank, but it's a pure pattern trade. So I did take this here on this account. So there you go. Looking here, and yeah, it's banking. That's how the TP is right here. There you go. So there's a bank roll right there. This might just blowing account. You can see it's just a random paper. So yeah, no, there's really nothing good to this day. If there's some manipulation, this inversion looks good to me. But apart from that, there's really nothing else to look for. Peace out, y'all.